Sweet truck. 4-wheel drive. Oh, it's 8 lug too. This thing's sweet. Sweet little square body Chevy. K20, I guess. Good looking truck. This is my friend Kyle Chalmers' truck. He was just telling me he didn't take gaskets. I've never seen under the hood of this truck. But look, it's got port fuel injection. I thought it was carbureted this whole time. So we have to time the distributor back there. It's got like a mass airflow sensor built into the air filter. Pretty sweet. Aluminum radiator. Air conditioning. Badass. So we're gonna put a timing light on it and see if we can set it back to 0 for the fuel injection. What year is this truck, by the way?
86.
86 with the fuel injection. What brand injection is that? The throttle body?
Mass flow. Or Mallory.
Mallory.
It's all a Mallory system. With the ignition, the Mallory's ignition, Mallory fuel injection system, the Mallory thing here. This whole
the regulator.
Regulator's all Mallory.
Cool. They make good stuff. See if we can get it running. So last night it ended up getting dark and we were not able to get his truck running, and long story short is he's gonna need to buy some expensive parts. That fuel injection system is just, it's an older system. They don't really sell many parts for it anymore, and he's just gonna put a Holley Dominator system on it, and it should run pretty good then. So big fan of the Holley stuff, so I can't wait to see it running, Kyle. Quick little project here today before I use the car trailer. Sandra got me the airbag system. Just reading the instructions. It basically gets installed between the frame rail and the leaf spring, and it just clamps on with a U-bolt to the bottom leaf. So just putting some of these brackets together. Big Phillips head American screw there. Alright, 5 minutes later, got these pre-assembled, a little air fitting in there. Good to go. Alright, bag's installed. You can see right here, kind of goes between the leaf spring. I tried to wash the frame off because it's full of salt, so I don't want to keep all the salt in there. I do have a complaint that I missed. There was 1 extra washer and 2 metric nuts missing, and it's kind of annoying. Oh look, here's the metric nuts. Oh, okay, so I just had an extra washer. It's stupid that there's a 1/2 inch nut and an M8. Like, they should just keep it all 1 units. Like, why would you mix 1 metric and 1 standard? That's kind of silly. Okay, we're all installed with the Tacoma Airlift. I made a little bracket with my fill-up valve here. I have a cigarette-powered air compressor, but I suppose I could get a 110 outlet and just have it all right here. But that's it. Now I have to tow something. You boys ready to pull a trailer in the snow? Let's get to it. This week at Driveway Party, we're taking a car trailer. Just hit the Pennsylvania border. Highways aren't so bad, so that's a relief. Got the car trailer back there. Just gotta keep chugging along. It's about a 2-hour drive, so about 45-50 minutes into the drive, and hopefully I can get in and give you guys a little tour, or show you something at least. Alright, we're here at S&W Race Cars. They don't seem like they want any visitors, so I just finished strapping everything down. I probably totally could have fit the car on here. Most of the roll cage fit nice in the bed, but if it wasn't for these long pieces, I wouldn't need the car trailer. So I probably could have put the car trailer on the trailer and then had these off to the side, but whatever. Light load for today. Just happy to get it. And man, I thought they were going to be closed for sure, because I was calling them and calling and nobody was picking up. They were supposed to open at 8. Finally I got a hold of somebody. Just, I don't know if I annoyed them, but somebody from the shop finally answered the phone and said they were here. So it took me about 2 hours to get here. Look at all the snow outside. So, off to Sean's, Mathis Motorsports, here we go. Well, we made it this far. Just kidding, we made it here. When we were unloading, I heard the snake noise. So, got everything unloaded. Have to fix the tire. Look at this fender. Anybody want to buy a trailer? So here's my roll cage. It's a bunch of pieces. Then these long ones are for generic fabricating, like I've said before, probably for the rad support or wherever we think we need extra metal. This is Sean's plasma bench. Look, he makes all sorts of brackets and stuff out of plate steel. So I'm sure this will be used at some point in the project. Pretty sweet. Can't wait to see how it comes out. Look at this hydraulic tube bender. It's got some shiny dies in there. Different thickness metals on hand. This is a full-blown shop he's got here. Looking good. Looking good. And it's pretty neat in here too. Very exciting. So I've got a long drive ahead of me, so thanks for watching. I'm not sure when I'm bringing the car out here. It looks like the radiator's not coming in until next week, so it won't be this weekend. So maybe next weekend, I'm not so sure. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Driveway Party.